Hey folks, this is a LG inverter drive dishwasher. The code that was displayed on this machine was a AE code. And as a precaution for a follow-up code behind fixing the AE code, I also cleaned out this drain area here. There was a lot of buildup of sediment here. So I cleaned that out first, and then I moved to what really caused the AE code. The AE code was caused by a flotation switch that floats in the drainage bay, over drainage bay of the machine. And that switch is right here. It is this white assembly there that I just touched. So if you want to see it again, it's this assembly here that I'm pointing to, my screwdriver. Right there. What I did is that I actually just removed it. It actually twists out, and then it just gets removed, and below it was some water, which is causing the styrofoam flotation to float upward, which would turn on the switch to cause the AE code. So after removing the water and making sure the flotation was free to move back and forth, the code, and then replacing the switch and turning on the machine again, it reset the code. And that's it.